Sagutan natin tong problem. Solve the differential equation 3x minus 2y plus 1 quantity times dx plus 3x minus 2y plus 3 quantity times dy equals 0. Okay, so minsan, ang bibigay sa ating differential equation is hindi pwedeng ma-solve using yung mga different types of DE like separable, homogeneous, exact, linear, Bernoulli, and so on. Pero pwede tayong gumamit ng substitution para ma-transform natin yung given DE na to into yung mga sinabi kong previous types of DE. So pwede tayong mag-introduce ng new variable, let's say u. And then notice na itong 3x minus 2y is parehong common sa dx at dy. So try nating i-let u yan. So we let u be equal to 3x minus 2y. And then i-differentiate natin both sides. So derivative ng u, du. Derivative ng 3x minus 2y. So for 3x, its derivative is 3. Tapos lagyan nyo ng differential dx. Minus 2y, derivative is 2. Lagyan nyo rin ng differential dy. Tapos pwede tayong mag-solve ng isang differential dito. Let's say dx or dy. Sige, isasolve ko na lang si dx. So itatranspose ko sa negative 2 dy sa kaliwa. Magiging du plus 2 dy equals 3 dx. And then, sasolve ko si dx, so kailangan ma-eliminate si 3, divide both sides by 3. So, cancel the 3, therefore, dx is equal to du plus 2 dy over 3. And then, isa-substitute natin sa original DE, so magiging, itong 3x minus 2y, yan ay equivalent na lang sa u, tas copy yung plus 1. Itong dx, papalitan natin itong du plus 2 dy over 3. Plus, itong 3x minus 2y again, gagawing u. Then, copy yung plus 3. Then, copy dy equals 0. So, magiging in terms of u and y na lang yung differential equation natin. Okay, so alisin muna natin itong denominator na 3. Pwede kong i-multiply both sides by 3. So, distributing the 3. So, dito sa first term, makakancel nga si 3. Matitira is u plus 1 times du plus 2 dy. Plus dito, mamamultiply by 3. So, 3 times u plus 3 dy equals 3 times 0, 0. So, pwede nyo i-distribute itong u plus 1 as a binomial dito sa bawat term. So, bale u plus 1 times du plus 2 times u plus 1 dy plus 3 times u plus 3 dy equals 0. So, pwede nating i-combine yung may parehong differential, itong dy, right? So, copy lang tong u plus 1 du. Then, to factor out natin si dy. Sa loob ng parenthesis, sasum natin itong dalawang expressions na to. So, 2 times u plus 1 plus 3 times u plus 3 equals 0. So, u plus 1 du plus, distribute natin itong 2 tsaka itong 3, then combine similar terms. So, magiging 2u plus 2 plus 3u plus 9 dy equals 0. u plus 1 du plus, combine similar terms, 2u plus 3u, that's 5u, plus 2 plus 9, 11, dy equals 0. Then, magiging separable na itong DE, right? I-multiply na lang natin both sides by 1 over 5u plus 11. So, distribute. So, dito magiging u plus 1 du over 5u plus 11. Plus, dito makakancel yung 5u plus 11, matitira is dy. Then, 1 over 5u plus 11 equals 0 sa right side. So, 0 pa rin. So, na-separate na natin yung variable. Du is multiplied by function of u alone and dy is multiplied by function of y alone, which is invisible coefficient na 1. So, integrate na natin both sides. So, for the first integral, notice na rational expression na improper kasi pareho yung degree ng numerator tsaka denominator na 1. So, divide muna natin. Divide the numerator u plus 1 by the denominator 5u plus 11. So, u divided by 5u, 1/5, right? Then, multiply 1/5 times 5u, u. Then, 1/5 times 11, positive 11 over 5. Subtract. So, u minus u, cancel, 0 na. 1 minus 11 over 5, that's negative 6 fifths. So, pwede natin i-write itong original integral as yung quotient is 1/5 plus the remainder negative 6/5 over the same denominator 5u plus 11. Sige, distribute natin yung integral symbol together with the du so we can integrate term by term. Sa gilid din natin yung mga constant. Sa gilid yung 1/5 integral ng du, then minus 6/5 gilid constant times integral ng 1 over 5u plus 11 du. So, integral ng 1/5 du, that's 1/5 u minus 6/5 integral ng 1 over 5u plus 11. Yung shortcut is yielding to natural logarithm. Pero, kailangan may 1 over yung coefficient ng u, 5, tapos saka yung lagyan ng ln nung absolute value nung denominator. So, bale, meron tayong, tuloy ko dito, 1/5 u minus, so 6/5 times 1/5, 6 over 25. And then, ln of 5u plus 11. So, ito yung first integral. Para sa second integral, integral lang naman ng dy, right? So, that's equal to y. Then, equal to the integral nung 0 sa right side, gawin na lang natin constant of integration c. Okay? So, pwede nating alisin yung denominator muna. Multiply natin both sides by the LCD nung 5 at 25, 25. So, multiply yung 25, both sides. So, dito sa 1/5 u, paka-cancel si 5, matitira is 5u. Minus, dito sa 6 over 25, cancel si 25, matitira is 6 ln ng 5u plus 11. Then, 25 times y, positive 25y, 25 times c, 25c. Pero pwede nyo lang itong gawing constant c, ma-absorb ni c, 25. Okay, ngayon ibabalik natin yung u in terms of the original value niya na 3x minus 2y. So, bale, magiging 5 times u, which is 3x minus 2y, minus 6 ln of 5u, which is 3x minus 2y, plus 11, plus 25 times y equals c. Distribute natin itong 5. 5 times 3x magiging 15x. 5 times negative 2y, negative 10y. Minus 6 ln of, distribute din natin dito si 5. Bale, 15x minus 10y din, plus 11, plus 25y equals c. Tapos may makakombine pa tayong similar terms sa negative 10y tsaka positive 25y. So, copy itong 15x, then negative 10y plus 25y, magiging positive 15y, right? Then minus 6 ln of 15x minus 10y plus 11 equals c. Tapos, pwede nyo pang i-divide both sides by 3. GCF ng 15 tsaka 6. So, ito magiging 15 divided by 3, 5x na lang, plus 15 divided by 3, 5y na lang, minus 6 divided by 3, 2 ln ng 15x minus 10y plus 11, equal, so yung c over 3, ma-absorb uli ni constant c, yung 1/3 na constant c na lang. So, therefore, this is the final answer. Okay, so kayo naman, try to solve this differential equation, x plus y minus 1 dx plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 dy equals 0, and just comment your answers.